thunder in the distance, calling out your name. The sky turns gray, the world stands still, but it's never quite the same. Your footsteps echo through the storm, a shadow in the haze. It's always raining when you came. You light the darkest days. The droplets trace the tears I've cried. They mirror all my fears. But in the flood I feel your touch. Your warmth is drawing near. You're the calm amidst the chaos, the shelter from the pain. It's always raining when you came, and I would do it all again. Oh, the heavens break when you appear. The storm is wild, but you are near. Through the lightning and the pain, it's always raining when you came. But I'd stand here in the rain just to feel you once again. The streets are rivers of regret, but they lead me to your door. Each drop's a memory we've shared, a love I can't ignore. You bring the chaos, but you heal. A fire in the rain. It's always raining when you came. Would I live it all the same? The skies can open, let it pour. I'll wait for you forevermore. No flood could wash this love away. I'm yours through every stormy day. Oh, the heavens break when you appear. The storm is wild, but you are near. Through the lightning and the pain, it's always raining when you came. But I'd stand here in the rain just to feel you once again. The rain will fall, but I won't hide. I'll stay with you right by your side. For every storm